Why is it that the lighting makes it look like I'm a full-blown alcoholic and my teeth look yellow as fuck? Oh, anyway, um, in a sec, I'm going to show you the most simplest way to generate unlimited traffic to a model's OnlyFans account using what's known as the tube method. But first, I want to tell you what not to do. So I've been seeing a lot of people in my school community asking about the tube method, and a lot of them seem to think that the only way to do this is by starting your own tube site. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about when I mean tube site, like porn sites, like Pornhub, YouPorn, Xhamster, the list could go on. For some reason, I'm seeing a lot of people that are just getting into this thinking that the best idea to start off generating traffic to an OnlyFans account is building their own fucking tube site. Look, if you just want to generate traffic to an OnlyFans account, which is what we're here for, which is what I talk about on YouTube, then please just do the easiest things. In business, there's a saying, you want to follow the path of least resistance. And I can tell you, building a fucking tube site, competing with the behemoths like Pornhub and all that, is not the path of least resistance. Are you going to build an OnlyFans management agency, or do you want to build a porn site? Because I tell you, there's a lot easier way to generate traffic. For starters, if you want to start off with free ways, you want to start off with Reddit, TikTok, dating apps. I wouldn't really call that free, but that is definitely effective. You would start off with them. And so, yeah, don't worry about building a porn site and competing with Pornhub and all that, because that is just a whole nother business. Now, the reasoning I see is that new guys are getting into this saying that they hear about other people doing it. Well, that's the problem with reasoning by analogy, because when you think that something is good because someone else says they're doing it, then that can lead you in the wrong direction. You just want to start off with the basics and start off with the things that are easiest to learn. And that is not building out a website that will compete with Pornhub. There are just so many things involved in that it is just making a hard job even harder. Well, it doesn't even have to be hard. You're just generating traffic to an OnlyFans account. At the end of the day, that's it. Now, I'll show you an actual tube method that just generates traffic to an OnlyFans account by uploading videos to an already existing porn site. All right. So I'll show you how to do that. All right. So I can't, just go on Pornhub and a porn site and then expect to upload the video to YouTube and everything to be okay. I can't do that. So I took a couple of screenshots of examples that shows barely anything. Plus, I reckon that's also a good strategy. That is actually a good strategy. All right. So what the tube method is, if you don't know, you upload video content of yourself or the model to a porn site. And in doing so, you watermark the video content with a domain name. I'd recommend doing a domain name, or you can do an OnlyFans as well. But the point is, you're going to watermark your funnel into the video itself. So then when you upload the video content to these porn sites, people will watch it and then they'll want to see more content of that person. And so they'll see in the corner, there's a website, and then they go, bam, I really want to see this chick. So I'll type in the website here, and then that will normally take you to a landing page. That's a whole nother story. I don't reckon this is actually the right landing page, but that is what this is. And then that landing page will take you to the OnlyFans account. So that's it. So all you're doing is you're uploading content, already existing content. You're just going to throw a watermark over it in the corner with a domain name. And then you're going to upload that content to a porn site like Pornhub or, something like that, a major porn site. Don't create your own. And then in doing so, you have just created a funnel, because people are going to come across the model's content and then they're going to see the website / the funnel, and they're going to type it in wanting to see more content of that person. And then they will see a link to your OnlyFans, or you can just redirect it straight to your OnlyFans. Either way. But that is the basic funnel. That is the basic framework for a tube method. Now, what I meant at the start of this when I said that uploading content that shows very little is a good strategy, that is because you don't want to give away your leverage. So I came across this girl here, and what she does is she uploads videos of her trying on different clothes. Now, she gets naked, but she doesn't show a lot. And what she also does is she blurs out the main parts, if you know what I mean. So that way she's not giving away her leverage. So then you'll come across her content, you'll see her trying on different outfits, and because you're getting cock teased and you're not actually seeing her nude, then you're going to want to go to the website, the funnel, to see more of her. And then that is what motivates you to go to this website, because you want to see more of the model, since she's not giving away that leverage on a free porn site. And if you're going to do the two method, that is what you should do. Otherwise, don't bother, because otherwise, why do they need to go the OnlyFans if you're just uploading all the models' nude content on a porn site? And that is the basic framework for the two method. That is the two method right there. Now, this funnel that I was talking about, this is not one of our models. This is just an example I wanted to use. And so this is susiegala.fan. So I thought I'd type it in and see what type of funnel she's running under the hood. And it was a link tree, which is good. Link tree is good. But she had a million different links on there. So if you are going to do the two method, you don't want a million links, because what you're doing is you're splitting up the traffic, because they have all these options. You want one option, one funnel, so they go through. She's got the free OnlyFans, she's got the something Instagram, she's got the OnlyFans VIP, she's got the Twitter. Now, if I'm an average bloke and I want to see more of this girl, I will naturally look for the free option. So if she has a Twitter there, then you know that most of these girls just upload all their content to Twitter. So why pay for it and go to the OnlyFans VIP when you can go to one of these free options? So that is just another problem with doing that. So if you are going to do the two method, you will only have one option when clicking on this domain name. Now, you can get a cheap domain name at like GoDaddy, or there's a whole bunch of websites. Just Google it. But if you're choosing to use a domain name and creating like a simple landing page, or using something like Linktree to funnel traffic through to OnlyFans, so you don't have to link it directly, then just have one and only one link. Otherwise, don't even bother, because you're just going to split up all your traffic, and then it's just going to get, that's it. So that's it. And that is the two method. Now, before I go, I just want to show you something. Last week, I launched something. Boom. A course. Now, I never planned on releasing a course when I started this, but I had some brokey join a Discord I created a while ago, and he scraped all this stuff and he started reselling it, and he called it Bjorn's course. And I thought, that is just a joke. That is a fucking joke. And then I thought, oh, I'll show you a course. So I got to work. And this is like 200 fucking, I think it's like 210 pages. And it is just not generic crap written by AI, which I've seen some of these other momos do. This is like diagrams, and it is just fucking covers everything. So if you want an actual course, then click the link below and you'll see an actual course called the OnlyFans Empire Builder. It's about 200 damn pages. It's got a shitload of videos in there. Done for you templates, scripts, contracts, invoice. It's pretty much an agency in a box. So if you want an actual course, then you can click below and you'll see an actual course. If you're starting out, I would highly recommend that. I'm obviously going to say that because I own it, but I would actually highly recommend it, because I see too many people waste all this money on these different courses, and all it's telling them is just how to do generic shit that you can find on YouTube. It's pretty much just selling accountability. And then they come across my course and like, I wish I discovered this early. And anyway, that's it. That's enough of the air beating. If you like my content, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.